What's going on, everyone? Happy Saturday to everyone. Hopefully everyone is doing well, staying safe, healthy. If you had to take a COVID test, hopefully you have tested negative. If you did test positive, I hope you have a full and speedy recovery with no long COVID issues. Alrighty, a not so happy data report here. Yeah, you heard me correctly. A not so happy data report here, and I just mentioned about staying safe. Well, I found a place where you cannot stay safe. You just can't. At least not on Saturday mornings. And that is LabCorp. So, data report. Me. I went to get my blood test for this morning, which I do need a blood test before my doctor's appointment, which I believe is October 14th. I figured now would be plenty of time. I get to LabCorp at 8 a.m. They did open at 7 a.m. My fault. I should have gotten there at 7 a.m., but that's not the point of this video. That's not the point. I get there at 8 a.m. It is literally standing room only. And my point is, okay, they get very busy. Okay, people, they work during the week. And they only have time to come on Saturday morning. There has to be a better way of doing this. Now, I walked in and walked right out because I did not feel safe. I think you know where I'm coming from here. Very small waiting room. No air purifiers. I didn't see anybody in a mask. I didn't see the cloth mask. I didn't see the surgical mask. I didn't see any of these N95 masks. I saw no mask whatsoever. We need to do better. If a place is that busy, they should tell people to wait in the car. They should have air purifiers, HEPA air purifiers to help clean the air. They should have better hours. I saw the hours for today are 7 a.m. and it closes at 2 or 2:30. Maybe have extended hours on Saturdays because you know it's going to be busy. I get it. There is a staffing issue, and I have seen that listed online about a lot of places like this that even they are dealing with staffing problems. But, I mean, having that many people close together is not a good thing. COVID is an airborne virus. I've been talking about this since day one of the channel. Places like LabCorp and other places need to take this virus more seriously. They need to take steps to prevent the spread of the virus. Plus, you have people who are high risk that need to use healthcare. And this goes beyond LabCorp. This goes to, hospitals, all kinds of places. You have people that are high risk that if they get infected, it could be devastating to them. I mean, it could kill them, it could hospitalize them, it could disable them further, or it could disable them. There's a whole bunch of things that could happen. We need to do whatever we can to keep people safe. There should not be unsafe places such as LabCorp. I'm going to mention their name several times. There should not be unsafe places where someone who's high risk can't get the services they need because it is too darn crowded. That is just totally ridiculous and unacceptable. Now, I'm going to try and go back maybe Monday morning right at open, see if that does me any better. I might even go to one 10, 20 miles out of my way just to find a place that's less busy. We'll see. But the point is, it should not be dangerous for anyone to have to use healthcare. If you need to use healthcare, there should be the proper safety measures in place. Masking should be mandatory in all healthcare facilities. Someone should be able to go to healthcare, get the services they need, and not have to worry about being infected by COVID, flu. Heck, measles has been going around this year. There's a lot of different viruses that are spreading right now. We're starting to come into the winter cold season. I can understand in the summertime, most people think, oh, well, COVID's not a big deal. Okay, it's not summertime anymore. And yeah, COVID was a big deal in the summertime. We had a major wave in all regions of the United States, and we're likely to have another major wave starting at some point in November through to about some point in January. We're going to have the holiday wave. We have one every year. And then colds, flu, RSV, all that's about to enter the picture as well. We should be doing everything we possibly can to keep people safe. So I ask you, if you are a healthcare professional and you have a healthcare practice, and you're watching this video, I hope there's at least one person who runs a healthcare practice. Consider doing the right thing. Install HEPA air purifiers in your facility. Require masking in your facility. There is nothing wrong or shameful about requiring people to mask in your healthcare facility. It keeps you safe. It keeps other people safe. It keeps your patients safe. And it makes your patients, especially the high-risk ones that do care about COVID. Still, there's a lot of us out there that still care about COVID. It makes us feel more comfortable coming to your medical facility. Alrighty, guys, that's all I want to talk about. That's the point that I wanted to get across today. I mean, it is totally ridiculous that there's a lot of people that have not gone to healthcare that are putting off routine things that they need to get done because it's not safe. And there's also a lot of people out there that have been infected by COVID, whether it be at the dentist, a place like LabCorp, a place like a doctor's office, a specialist, wherever. People have been infected in healthcare, and I think it's ridiculous, and it's time that we need to raise the standard and start preventing infections in healthcare. One of the reasons why it may have been so busy at LabCorp is because people were infected with the summer wave of COVID, and now they're dealing with new healthcare problems, and their doctor wants to investigate it further, and the doctor's office says, well, go get a blood test. Well, there you go. I've noticed this before, and do they still test for COVID at a place like LabCorp? I don't know. I hope that wasn't into the equation, because if so, there's going to be a lot of people walking out of there with COVID. Luckily, I had my N95 mask on, and I did not even bother to stick around to get an AirNet reading. I did not want to stand there. That I said, no. I was not going to wait the 60 seconds for this to refresh again, because it was just too dangerous to wait in there. So I will either try again later when they're closing, or try another day on Monday, which sucks because I did the 8 to 12 hours of fasting. I was all ready for the blood test, and then I saw that and said, oh no, this is just way too dangerous. Totally unacceptable. We need to do better. Alrighty, folks, that does it for this video. This does count for the Saturday video. Maybe we'll have a pandemic update version on Sunday. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please stay safe wherever you go. And if you have to go to a place like LabCorp, don't do what I did. Don't go on a Saturday morning. Go on a weekday if you can. That's what I should have done. My fault. And go right when they open ahead of time. Call them. See, maybe they'll make some special accommodations for you. Doubtful, but yeah, that does it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell. Share this video with anyone you know. And of course, leave your comments down below. I want to know, have you had bad experiences with healthcare? Have you had instances where you need something that is just not safe, and you said, you know what, I don't really need to do this right now. I'll do this at another date and time. I'm going to just not sit here because it's unsafe. Let me know. Have you had that happen to you? Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic Saturday.